What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to Sauna's Lifestyle. Today's another day out here in Deutschland. So we did a thing today, guys, and I think it woke the G80 up, man. What you think, Kim? Yeah? Yo, man. So went down to Wiesbaden today. Homeboy Jose hooked it up for us. We deleted a few things on the G80. I was going to say the M5, but the G80 M3. We deleted the mid muffler, resonator, deleted the car, the exhaust tips, added a little bit of cat back, the 100 cell, deleted the 200 cell, minus, subtracted by, divided by. Boy, that thing sound nasty, boy. So you guys stay locked in, man. I'm about to show you guys the car. So we're gonna head outside right now. You think we should show them?
Yeah.
That boy said, you. What'd you say?
You.
Hey, but at the end of the day, man, if you haven't smashed that button, give me a like, comment, share, turn on all post notifications. You guys already know what it is. Stay tuned in, stay locked in. We're about to hit this parking lot. All right, so it's right now. It's in comfort mode, and it's in, I guess, the least eco. I guess you could say it's in eco mode. Let's just say that. All right. So camera's gonna tap on the gas a little bit, give you guys a demonstration what we got going on. Go ahead, man. All right, sound like your normal M3, and then go ahead and put it M. Yep, you gotta confirm it though once it pops up. Hit the button one more time. There, now it's open. Hold on. All right, this is M, but the valve control closed. Hit it. Sounds a lot deeper, right? Hold on. Camera's gonna hit the valve control button to open it up. Open. All right, tap a little bit. Echo, boy, get out of the thing. That thing that woke it up, man. Alright guys, so what y'all think, man? Does it sound good? Man, I tell you what, I actually like it, man, a lot. It actually burbles a lot more than my M5. So my wife got me on that for sure. It's more of a deeper sound though, I think. Or you think it's deeper or no?
The pops?
Yeah. No.
They're more hot.
It's more hot, but it's a lot more than it is on my M5. My M5 is more just real loud pops. This one is just burbles and pops and all that stuff at the same time. And honestly, on my M5, it goes down from fourth to first gear. That's when it's really when it really makes a popping noise. But on my wife's car, the M3, it pops from 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, all that. So but yeah, man, if you haven't got that mod, man, I would definitely highly recommend you guys getting it. Again, as I mentioned to you guys, it's the Downpipes 100 cell and mid muffler delete, and then the resonator delete. But what we did is we did an X pipe on it, and that's right before the axle back, I guess you could say, on this exhaust. You don't need to purchase those expensive exhausts, man, to get the sound you want. I think, I mean, unless you're really into that type of stuff. I didn't do it on my M5, and I didn't do it on this one. So the M5 has downpipes as well. I'll get some good video footage for you guys on that. Actually, you think I should do that right now or no? The M5? Yeah, let me go ahead and get the M5, man, show you guys some video that I can attach it with this one. So you guys let me know in the comments how you guys like both of those sounding vehicles. Again, like I said, they don't have any exhaust, like an aftermarket exhaust on it. They just have some stuff that we done to manipulate the sound. So stay tuned in, stay locked in. If you haven't, smash that button, give me a like, comment, share, turn on all post notifications. You guys already know what it is. Let me go get this M5. Let's go. All right, guys, so I brought the M5 out here to show you guys a little bit different sound. And I got to put both these clips together because people have been asking me about how's the sound with catless downpipe. So check it out. Camera right now, put it in, take it out of M mode. So I'll take it out of M mode, close the valve. And then, yeah, close it. All right, so the valve's closed, M mode is off. Give it a little bit of sound. So it should sound pretty good, right? So that's downpipes only downpipes. And those are super sprint downpipes. Okay, put in we'll put in M mode on. Hold on, turn that. So if you turn this off right here, the muffler there, cameras, open the valve though there all the way, so it's open up all the way. It should just be loud with no pops. So super sprint downpipes. Cameron, hit that muffler thing. He's gonna hit that button. Now you should hear pops. Yo, that's crazy though. Hey, but like I told you guys, super sprint downpipes, right? But at the end of the day, if you take this button right here and turn it off, it takes away the pops and stuff. What you think, Cameron? You loving it, you loving it, you loving it. So yeah, man, we're gonna get some rolling footage for you guys, and get you some downshifts as I'm driving by. Again, nothing crazy, but just show you guys what it sounds like when you downshift. Alright guys, so that was it, man. Like I said, I just want to give you guys a quick glimpse of what the M5 and the M3 sounds like, man. If you haven't smashed that button, go ahead and give me a like, comment, share, turn on all post notifications. You guys already know what it is. Yeah, man, I think that was a good purchase today for the wife. The wife actually purchased that today, and I think it opened it and woke up the G80. What you guys think, man? Let me know in the comments. So if you guys like to see more videos of the M's, let me know. If you guys have been tuning in to all my videos, it's been a while since I made any videos, and I'm gonna try to get back to this, as I told you guys in the last two videos, because a lot of people have been asking where I've been hiding at. We got rid of the Mopars. Why we get rid of the Mopars? Because of this dude right here. No. He's like, hey man, get rid of the Mopars. We need some European stuff. So he talked me, convinced me into getting this M5. I ain't gonna lie, I love it though. Sometimes I do miss the Hellcat, and that was definitely a pleasant car to have. So if you guys are interested in purchasing one, I have to say it's definitely a good car to get, man. But at the end of the day, man, this M5 is something different. You got the luxury, you got the power, we got the massaging seats, man. I can be quiet when I'm driving, be creeping. Kind of, that's weird, right? That's kind of weird saying that, creeping. But anyways, creeping, or I can put it in the M mode, man, and be loud and obnoxious. But yeah, man, I'm gonna end this video. It's a short clip today for you guys. The weather's crap. On the agenda this week, if not next week, I know it's Christmas and stuff like that. I got the ground effects kit I'm gonna put on the wife's M3, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and set up a video for that for you guys and show you guys what that looks like. It's a new Maxton design carbon ground effects kit, and then we have the CSL grill to put in. That's gonna take a little bit more time, so I may put the side skirts and the rear diffuser piece on for the Maxton design, and then take the bumper off and do the CSL grill, put that back all on, and then add the front splitter, because putting that splitter on and then trying to take the bumper off is, I feel like it's gonna be too much to be doing. So I'd rather put the CSL grill on, front splitter, and be done with it. And then there's a couple other things that got coming for the car. Some Christmas presents coming.
I know.
Don't say nothing. Yeah, he knows, but the wife don't know. She probably gonna see this video, but at the end of the day, she don't know what she got coming for Christmas. But yeah, man, stay tuned in, stay locked in. Again, man, Sarno's Lifestyle, man. We out here trying to live life to the fullest, enjoying it. These boys are spoiled. This boy is spoiled. Hey, man, if you guys haven't been checking out the IG, man, what I got you guys on the IG? Them Saunders boys, man, on IG playing basketball, man. So Cameron's playing high school ball, and he's playing off baseball. Isaiah's playing off baseball as well. So I think that's all I got for you guys today, man. I'm about to get in this house. It's cold. About to watch some Christmas movie, man. Happy holidays to you guys. Merry Christmas. Whatever you want to call it. Sonic Lifestyle. And we